Alright guys, we're going to do a Super C here at the Columbus show, the Entegra Accolade 32U, I believe. Yep, right there it is. 32U. We're going to start up here in front. It's on the F600 chassis. Down here they got Coney shocks. Just your normal front end, but they put this beautiful grill or bumper on it. You gotta get me one of those. Like the blacked out package. 6.7 liter power stroke. See what we got right here. That's your right side turn signal camera. Then we'll just take out the storage. So here's one storage container. A second, they're all one. That's all one, but it's two doors. So that's not too bad. That's all one. So it's three doors. 3 doors, one compartment. There's your propane. I don't know the size of the propane. We'll have to find out. Well, let's look over here. Here are your capacities right there. So if you need to, you can pause that. What we got in this one? Really big storage compartment. And more storage. We do have an outside entertainment, and it looks like a Gerard awning, but it could be a Carefree. But it's a big awning. Doesn't say Gerard on it, so I'm not going to say it's a Gerard. But nice big awning. You see they have frameless windows. They come out so you can have them open during the rain. Really nice rear cap on this rig. No ladder, but you have the camera back there facing down. Rear camera, and then there's more storage all the way down through here. I know it has a generator, probably an 8K. I can't get to it, but you know what we're talking about here. So as you enter, you have all of your stuff right here, so you can get any of your lights you need, leveling, your power step. So if you're camping, you can shut that off so it doesn't open and close every time you do the door. Main power. And then your inverter. So let's come in. Right on. Here is your cab. Your normal Ford chassis. Makes it pretty decent to get in and out of here if you're flexible. Maybe not so much for me. But you do have a nice bunk over the cab here with a pretty nice window and a motorized pull-down shade. Turn around. Televator makes it nice. And you're sitting right across from that televator in these two theater seats. There is your bunk, or not a bunk, but a dinette that turns into a bed. And then, of course, because of the frameless windows, you have shade on top and the day shade on bottom. Here is your kitchen. Plenty of storage overhead. You do have a counter extension. This has induction, and then plenty of doors. That's a good spice rack. Well, check that out. Nice drawers underneath, not slow close. That's a deep one for pots and pans. Another one there, and one more under the sink. A nice high point, much larger convection oven, and then two more cabinets here. And they don't have that plugged in, but that's okay. That way people don't play with it at the show. And we are at the Columbus show. This is a Samsung. I'm going to say it is residential. I don't believe this is a 12 volt. There you go, French doors with a locking mechanism for going down the road, and a slide out freezer. It gets deeper and deeper. There you go. Right beside it is your pantry. Oh, nice slide out pantry on top, and a second slide out pantry underneath. Very nice. So right here beside this bathroom door, we have a closet for hanging clothes and some shelving. and a bank of 3 drawers down below. Very nicely done. All right. Okay, we have a queen bed on a slide, so this is a flip bed is what I like to call it. When it comes, you have to flip it over so the bed comes in and it'll go right up against that wall. So you cannot use your bed in transit, but it is what it is. You got windows on each side and behind you, not too bad. You got storage up above. Let me get one of them open at least. So it's one long storage, just 3 doors. As you can see, I can make it through here, not too bad, right through there. I mean, I don't see it in the mirror. I don't have to turn sideways, but I guess I do a little bit. Then you have the closet here, and you can still get around the bed. Then we have power right here, USBs on both sides, but it's also cableless charge, wireless charging on both sides. So very nice. Now let's see how the bathroom is. We're gonna go into the bathroom. So this is the setup here. You got your door. It doesn't open all the way, but you don't need it to. You can come in. As you can see, I'm in here fine. Plenty of room for all your stuff right here at the sink. A nice medicine cabinet. And then of course you have a door here. I would much rather see a Max Air fan right there. So that would be a deal I'd have to make at the dealership. Toilets here. So if you're really tall, you're gonna run into that wall a little bit. And then a big step up to the shower. But it looks like it's pretty decent. Let me hop in. As you can see, I got plenty of room above. And it's not hateful. I've been in bigger. The Grand Design and the East to West were bigger showers. So overall not hateful. And the show price, $249,995. Well, there you have it. The Entegra Accolade 32U. Happy glamping.